Hey, it's Annie with your latest tech update. One of the things that makes the day-to-day grind of business easier or harder is the tools you choose to use. Have you ever thought about how much time and productivity could be saved with more advanced technology? Microsoft has, and it has a groundbreaking update for Teams, an AI library that's rolling out right now. This isn't just a tool, it's an intelligent assistant designed to streamline your workflows. Imagine an AI that generates meeting notes, suggests follow-up actions, and even marks call timelines for easy reference. It might sound far-fetched, but it's closer than you think. This AI library will provide developers with code functionalities to seamlessly integrate large language models, that's the term for AIs like ChatGPT, into their apps. This could revolutionize your team's experience and lead to another huge shift in how we interact, create, and experience technology. We help businesses get to grips with better productivity every day. If we can help you too, get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.